Okay, we're going to do ice pick into an arm drag. Okay. When we do arm drag in combatives, you're going to see us do an arm drag in a way that a wrestler would say is incorrect. For wrestling, that's correct, it's incorrect. If a wrestler was going to do an arm drag on that arm, he would match knee to knee when he was close. We're doing it for combatives, okay? If he has a knife in that hand, I need to stop that knife. The arm drag has to be on that hand even though it's a foul leg. This is what people don't understand about my system, okay? So when he comes in with that knife, I am stuck with the arm drag on that side. That's what combatives is. It's for real world knife attacks, not competitive wrestling, okay? So when he does that step, I need to go evade, in, and do my arm drag from the outside. I have to, okay? So real slow, I turn, I catch. Go again, yeah. Turn, I catch. I didn't know if we were recording. Okay, here we go. We turn, we catch. We turn, we catch. Okay, now we really start to get high. I want to start to turn him. I want to get myself behind him. Once I capture that knife arm, I'm never letting that go, okay? It doesn't matter what he does with it. I have to hang on to that. And then there's a whole bunch of ways to take down the guy. The simplest way for us is just to hit this knee. The fight's going to be on, and we're going to be here, and I'm going to go. And then we have to destroy this guy while we get the opportunity. And I mean, it's everything. Neck, okay? Kidneys, head. When we get up, we evade the knife, and we knee down, and we hit, strike, kick. Everything we can to stop this guy. But the whole time he's getting up, we're kicking him. Okay, Bill's going to try this technique for the first time, okay? And he's going to use a wax on, wax off. You'll notice as we go on with these courses, each session, we start to get from out distance, telegraph knife attacks from distance to mid-range. We're getting closer, okay? So now, give me the ice pick slow. If I'm at a distance, I can go chop. If he was right on me, I might only have time to do this. I never had time to really come out here and go bang, because he's right on me. So now it's right here. And this might get me cut, but I don't have any options except to get that hand out there and keep it away and come into the arm drag. So now he's going to practice it for the first time. Build his arm drag from wrestling, not from knife attacks. It's going to be kind of weird. You're going to like move it and just come up. Yes, exactly. Turn my back to you. So you start to see how empty hand against knife is the same technique as empty hand against empty hand. Yeah. Same thing would happen if I was fighting him, he'd take an arm drag. So we're practicing hand to hand all the time. Okay? And go. Have fun with it. If you want to do a takedown, go ahead. Do whatever you want back there. Have fun. Nice. Now prioritize the knife. Nice. Move that knife. Go back. Right. Don't short it up. Make sure you keep that guy. When I'm going like this, you want to keep it going. So keep that knife going. Yes, keep it going. Yes, you want to use the momentum against me. Right?